brand new pro video, and today's video we are going to review the Wipro Garnet 5-watt LED batten. So guys, this is a 5-watt LED batten from Wipro, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the review of it. So let's look at the packaging. It comes packaged in this cardboard box right here, and right here you can see the Wipro branding right here. The name of the product, which is Garnet, 5 watts, 6500K is a color. And yeah, here's the illustration of the batten right here with the Wipro branding on it. Here again we can see Wipro Garnet branding, 5 watts, LM80 tested LED technology, high voltage protection up to 440 watts, wide voltage range from 100 to 300 VAC, soft and glare free light. Then they are given the installation procedure right here. Remove the batten, fix the clips on the mounting wall, press batten and clips slots, and connect the power supply. That's it, so simple to use. Recommended for 6 hours operations in a day for optimal performance. No UV and IR radiation, energy saving up to 60%. Now coming to the price of the product, the MRP of the Wipro Garnet is rupees 340. So guys, this Wipro LED batten is available online on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I'll have the link in the description below. So now let's go ahead and unbox it. So here there was a tape which we need to cut open. Tear it open, and let's look at the LED batten inside. So guys, this is the Wipro LED batten. Right here we can see the Wipro branding, right? And apart from that, what do we have inside? I'm sure there are clips inside. Yeah, they're stuck on the other side. So here we also have these clips to keep the LED in place. So yeah. So guys, this is the LED batten. Right here we can see the Wipro branding on the sides as well. Wipro is written here and here as well. It says LED batten, 5 watts, 500 lumen is the capacity of light, the power of light, and the build quality is pretty decent. Nothing great about it. Yeah, this is the connection point that they have given. You need to connect these 2 wires to your connection, and you just need to attach the LED into the clips. You have got these 2 clips which go into the wall, and then the LED just sits on these clips. So I'll show you all how the LED attaches on the clips. So what we get here along with the LED is these clips, small clips here. So we have 2 clips, 2 screws, and 2 wall plugs, round plugs here. You put the screws into the wall. So we have 2 round plugs here, 2 screws, and we have 2 round plugs as well. So yeah, this is all that we get in the box, and I've used a Wipro LED batten earlier, and I think it's nice and bright enough. So yeah, I really like the quality of it. It lasted for around 3 years before it gave me problems. But yeah, overall build quality, and it's worth the price. Like, and rupees 350, you're getting a LED, 340 you're getting a LED batten, which will save you lots of energy compared to a CFL or a normal bulb. So that's the better part of it, and it's good enough to light up a bathroom. So this is for my bathroom, so it's good enough to light up a small bathroom. So yeah guys, this was the review about the Wipro LED batten, the unboxing and review of the Wipro LED batten, 5 watts. If you all want to purchase the same product, it's available on Amazon like I told you all, and I'll left the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.